The Galaxy S25 Ultra has some intriguing new information, including its price and remarkable battery life enhancements. The prices of the full Galaxy S25 lineup have been made public by a few trustworthy sources. It is anticipated that the basic S25 with 12GB RAM will retail for $799, most likely for the 128GB model. The S25 Ultra will start at $1,299, while the S25 Plus will retail for $999. The S25 Ultra's first RAM configuration is currently unknown. It may come with 16GB or the regular model's 12GB. There will undoubtedly be a 16GB option, but Samsung plans to save that for models with more storage. The rumor claims that Samsung will continue to offer the Galaxy S25 series customary pre-order benefits. These include improved trade-in credits, a free storage upgrade, and even a $50 credit simply for expressing interest in the gadget. You can register for the $50 credit beginning on January 5th, although pre-orders are anticipated to begin immediately following the Unpacked event. The S25 series is scheduled to debut on January 22nd, in case you were wondering. The same report claims that there aren't any significant modifications in the S25 lineup. Most of the specifications remain the same, with the exception of the Ultra's ultra-wide camera update, the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, and a RAM jump. However, the interesting part comes with battery life. It may seem a little lackluster that the S25 Ultra is staying with the same 5000 mAh battery as the previous year. The good aspect, though, is that smartphones with the Snapdragon 8 Elite are now available, such as the OnePlus 13 and Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro, and preliminary testing has shown significant increases in battery life over models from the previous year. Because of its exceptional efficiency, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip requires significantly less power to provide superior performance. This efficiency is revolutionary, and since the S25 Ultra has the same chip and Samsung's best optimizations, we can anticipate even greater battery life improvements. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.